right.
Me too!
Will go Kirby and Lucas, and he'll be like, nah, feeling like playing D-Brawl or something.
That's my vote.
Lose.
Oh no.
Go!
Oh no. He had the experience of Rob.
Well, I mean, yeah.
What's nobody's honest? If you play this game for at least like a year, and you somehow don't have experience against Rob, what do you do?
Well, the issue
Like, are
is...
you even actually playing the game at like semi-mid-level?
The issue is I don't know what top level Robs.
It's Rob.
Dude, all Robs do the same thing. It's just who can do them better.
And also, like, it's Rob. You're going to be playing against top Rob at some point. I think he's like Rob.
You're thinking about the league one. Like, if you look at every Rob thing, there's the only difference between like Sakura and Owen Lane is that Yama just does the things Owen does, but better.
Holy shit. She wasn't supposed to shoot. Yeah. That's my game.
If you praise the dead that's making all the I still think about that book from that in the box where he was trying to like I think the window where he was charging like a forest fan or something, and he was standing out of it, and then Fox does like his pot like
That's awesome.
Come on.
It was so much. No, it was
No, it's his idle animation.
It was his idle animation. Because he was waiting for the up smash to go because he would have won. Because they were both at 2%. And then the Fox just sticks his arm out and shoot it and it just dies.
Fuck you! Pekka! I got a Pekka down. And unfortunately, I don't have any Pekka answers.
Bro does not have Skeleton. Bro does not have Skeleton.
We're playing draft. Wait. No. My Pekka answer is getting Goblin Barrel to get destroyed, and then jump tilts. Fucking baby draft. I mean, like, what? I wonder if that Mercy player really did.
No, nobody's got with it, I don't think.
You got 3 comments on something.
Probably Battle Fish.
This player's very intelligent.
Okay.
Why are we?
What are your thoughts on
What?
Run, buddy.
What? What?
What are your thoughts on
I love that guy.
you Astros?
Yes, he's getting
No
a-
weakness.
he's
I
getting
think
a
I
card.
might.
Well, except in this game.
In this game, because there's no lemonade. Dude, Excadrill fucks up like 75% of the decks in this game. It's really
The decks?
funny. Yeah, the
Oh,
decks.
Dex with an X instead of Dex as in
No, the decks.
CKS.
Yeah, no.
Fucking
No,
Card
like,
brain.
Excadrill in this game, because they removed like abilities, he just fucks up like 75% of them.
He's just so good. No, but like, okay, what do I do versus that deck?
You just did it. Dude, you saved your Valkyrie. And she's like,
That wasn't me. That wasn't my that wasn't my Valkyrie.
oh. We gotta replace Barbarackle with Frost.
That's fair. I forgot they got him.
You forgot that got Omega and was like, I love Mega Football.
I didn't mention the fairy.
I love Mega Audino.
Well, Mega Autono was in the Mega Autono won Worlds, man. I don't know.
Dude, Mega Scrappy.
Scrappler.
Dude, any Mega Scrappy thing, dude? And he puts his clan hoodie on. Dude, dude, we were playing in the Overwatch. Dude, last Wednesday we won our first ever Overwatch.
Let's go, dude. You haven't like a better.
Oh, I gotta do that, yeah. But we finally won it, and they said they said that they had a Grandmaster DPS on the enemy team, and I was just like, they have a Grand Wizard DPS. They might have been a Grand Wizard DPS. They were playing Soldier.
Oh yeah, no, 100%.
Yeah, and yeah, it was like really awesome because we just like slightly go out behind cover and then immediately just get like headshot by the Soldier, and it was very fun.
Yeah. Sounds about right.
Do you think the Mega Tatsugiri is gonna work with John Dozo?
I don't think they're gonna get Commander something.
I don't think that would like be possible.
And also,
But I mean,
like, what would it do?
We haven't seen what.
I know what it-
Tatsugiri
I
is
haven't-
gonna
I-
do.
What would it do inside of Don Dojo?
I have a theory.
Mega Don Dojo.
No, I have a theory. Instead of giving it 2 stat buffs, it's gonna give it 4.
Dude, we get Mega Don Dojo.
We essentially do.
We'll just get Mega Don Dojo. This is how you do it. He doesn't have his own Mega Stone. There's no Don Dozite. It's just yeah, it's just how to do it. Do some of these names. Barbaricite. Barbaricite, dude. Like I know it's like right, but it makes me mad looking at it, especially Greninjite.
Oh, what is the Dragonite? Is it Dragonite?
It's Dragonite.
Oh.
I wanted it to be Dragonite, but because that would have been really funny, but they just made it Dragonite.
Lame.
Lopunite.
Well, that was in episode.
Yeah, but it's still Pidgeotite.
That one sucks.
Pidgeotite. Scraptite.
Scrap that.
Shit. Oh shit. Oh
Dude,
shit.
Houndoomite.
Oh fuck. I'm moving.
Dude, they somehow managed to get Houndoom's entire name into his Mega Stone. It's Houndoomite.
Well, some of them are good.
Pidgeolite. Dragalite. Dragalite.
Or is it Dragon?
Fuck, I don't remember. Blastoisinite.
Blastoisonite?
Blastoisinite.
I don't like that. That's like wrong and incorrect.
Paluchinite. Victory Belite.
Wait. It's giving the tower back shots.
Wait,
Wait, oh my god, oh my god.
Wait, thank you. See the tower HP? Thank you.
Are you getting backshot-ites?
I'm giving them back shots.
Thank you.
Holy shit.
Thank you. Wait, dude,
Did
I
you
can't
see that?
Yeah, dude, I can't believe they added Mega Evolution into Clash Royale.
No, Weston, you wanna see the back shots of Billy?
No.
I think you do actually.
I want to see the funny glamours.
Oh,
get
dude.
Monetite,
fucking-
dude. Monetite. How to Doomanite?
Yeah,
Do
no, no.
it.
Look at the back shots, Carl. Boom. Ready? Look at Terra's HP. Chunked.
The insight. The insight. Dude, also we found the use for the funny pebble that tried that.
It's
Just Mega Stone.
Yeah.
I mean, I knew it as soon as Logan said that. You know, like you acting like, and it does nothing. I'm like, you acting like that's not gonna turn into his Mega Stone like in the game.
Wait a minute.
Mega Knightite. Mega Knightite. Oh my god.
Wait.
Meganite.
Are we?
Is it Meganulite?
It's Meganite. I actually don't know. You have to ask Logan. I don't actually.
You have to. Can you tell me something?
What's up?
Do you actually have to
Brother.
give them the Mega Stone, or do they just
They
Mega
have to
Evolve
hold
on?
it.
Okay, so it's not a Mega Rayquaza situation.
No, they have to. Every other Pokemon has to hold the Mega Stone.
Mega Rayquaza is special.
Because they don't get theirs through the Mega Stone. They get it through the funny meteor they eat.
Eat his meteor.
You think it tasted good?
Yeah.
What do you think it tasted like?
Rayquaza ate that stone, he's like, tasty.
Yo, dude, I gotta share this with my homies. And he sprinkled them down on Earth.
What the fuck is my graph at? I have pigs, by the way, and Hog Rider.
Dude, I hate all these random trainers that are like, I have to exclude. Dude, there's so many side quests in the game where they like a trainer asks you to fight them, but their team only uses like one move. Dude, I'm having to defeat this stupid trainer now that they're like only gonna use protect.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's gone. Oh, shit. I'm so good. That was incredible.
I forgot to swap my inboards moves.
I thought you were about to say this fucking thing.
What? Why would I ever say that? What's wrong with you? Are you okay, Weston?
Hey, I see how you look at that low.
What? What about low funny?
And even still, how would he switch his dick out?
Am I like Inspector Gadget? Like what?
Why do I have Roadhogs and Hog Rider?
Dude, you need them.
Void on the magic archer.
Magic part.
I really want to put down my Valkyrie in the middle of 3 Musketeers. Unfortunately, it's going to explode.
Would you like my comically large Pidgeot?
It was quite large, you know.
Dude, Detect doesn't work. They kept trying to use Detect, but because Hurricane took so long to come out, it just didn't work.
You should read that.
Yo, we gonna add him?
They want to join our fan community.
Dude, Weston, out of all of us here, we would add to them. I think you would. Dude, but you've already done it.
This is true.
You've already clicked on the suspicious link that you
Suspicious village.
the nigga I'm gonna hack .exe. You know that you can check proper like websites for like Twitter and that stuff. They have like a like an underscore dash instead on there. That's how you can check. Underscore or dash on it. I don't remember which one it is, but it's like a specific one that every like social media like website has, and so people just like get around people not knowing that. But they make like their own fake website and they make it look exactly like
No,
the
I know.
normal one,
No,
but they
when I saw the
pretend it.
when I saw the website, that was where I was like, okay, this is not right. It was just everything before that.
Oh, Viper just disappeared. It's gone. It got
You
removed.
don't need it.
It genuinely just Magic Archer. Magic Archer, get off my fucking tower. Thank you.
Please, I want to see fucking me Gunner Rob so bad.
I wonder if Logan is enjoying his free shiny review. Okay. Dude, I got that side quest, and I was like, oh, do I have to like shiny hunt to revive my health? And then
Calvin is so fucking cool.
dude, wait, but I thought he was the worst character in the game.
He is. But he is.
Are you sure?
He is the worst character
Oh
in the game.
my god!
Dude, I thought you had to shiny hunt of yourself, and then I like looked it up and I couldn't find one, and then it was just like on a roof. And then like the NPC that adds you is like, dude, this is so cool. I can't believe I get to see a shiny movie. Anyways, I'm gonna leave, and then you just not get it.
Look at it is a very funny game.
The game is very funny. Dude, there's this dude who's like, he's like constantly tied up by his snare axe. He like makes fun of like he like destroyed their webs, and they just like tied him up in a giant cocoon. Dude, my favorite, I got my favorite side quest. Help, my Numo has been frozen in a block of ice.
So this is why Banjo-Kazooie is in top 8 of the major.
Oh shit! Go, my god. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is you doing a boosted card this season?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
I thought you played Clash.
Not really.
Oh.
Definitely not as much as you do.
Yeah, I'm a real Clasher. So,
I'm a clan member.
yeah, I don't know about that one.
Dude, what's the matter? Look, you my barber apple with ice beam for some reason.
I mean, if your bangs are small,
Bonk.
yeah.
Oh my god, when real.
Yo, Chuck's got second like shit.
Go, my giant snowball.
So what do you think your skirt is gonna be if you play the
Tepe.
Epic?
Tepe.
It's like
Yeah.
me!
I'm a Tepper.
Mega Megamia is the best mega of the starters, though.
Yeah, I don't care. Tepe.
I don't care either, because I got Tepe as well. But it's just because she can fire off her like solar beam is on like a 5-second cooldown.
Yeah, for some reason.
Oh, because it's in her dex entry for Mega One. Because of all the flowers on her neck, she loses no sunlight. So there is a reason, but it's like really stupid because it's a
Yeah.
how it feels when somebody gets like outed for something. Fucking idea.
Fucking the happy's are going to something. What do they mean?
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, my low pony clutched it out.
Let's go, look on it.
Hey, Gron, I might be fucked, guys. Wait a second. I'm bored. Oh, my close combat. And he one-shot him.
That's the M go. And this
Oh
bat
my
fuck
God.
off?
Oh, my Endor.
Oh, there's a shitload of damage.
The set of all time. Dude, I think I just need my Endor to destroy Logan's entire team in NGA if we ever did a Pokemon battle, because Let's go. Because he has he's a big meat. Because he thinks big meat. Super great.
I mean, it's fine. Not go.
Like I guess funny, you know, like.
Yeah. Go, my royal ghost. Drop down your souls. I fucking love the drone. That's awesome. Wait, holy shit, go in my...
Fuck them. It's like the biggest glory circle.
Dude, I saw that tweet. It's so funny. I mean, he's a few minutes.
Fuck up that round robber, please. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Weston, can we try ice kick?
Sure.
Since they're not putting the greatest set of all time on screen. Actually, can you get it up on your phone?
Yep. I'm getting it up on my phone.
So where did I come from? Oh, here.
Yeah.
What game was that? That was game 5. Oh, okay. I'm back. Yeah.
Jonah,
What?
can you do something for me?
No!
Can you update this screen?
No!
Just so you know, Weston, your mega uploads stopped automatically because you don't have enough cloud storage.
Mega upload.
What do you mean
Pokemon
by that?
What? Your mega account is full, whatever that means.
Mega account? What kind of Pokemon is that?
Shut up, man.
Mega accounts.
Mega upload. What the?
Mega accounts what I did with Mega Cell.
No problem. You're good.
Coleman Knight.
Alright, we're just gonna do that. Okay.
I love that move so much. Like,
Doing a separate job for you. In about 8 minutes, the projector is going to automatically go down. Take a little
Lucas!
and then start it again.
What if I go?
And then switch to HD.
Bayonetta! Three, two, one, go!
Dude,
red paint.
where did you not do it? Force throw, what, 75?
Yeah. Man, I love it that when I press it, it's come out. I
For my Death Guard on the Switch 2,
got to read so that you only need to do that for fucking 12 years.
the Death Guard is on the Switch 2 is going to make starting fire from yeah, but it's like, they like I loaded it into the game, and it like functioned, and I was like, wow, dude, what is this?
Oh, it's still loading. But not loading, but like, oh, it's coming in.
Is that all you've got?
I can't time it versus the regular character. In game one, it's like, you would get
Picker?
Yeah. I mean,
Oh, yeah,
That's all you've got.
stop it.
but I rolled.
Start battle. Lucas, Bayonetta. 3, 2, 1, go!
him. I don't know which one that is.
Unless you just want that up.
No,
Okay.
Lucas wins.
That's very bright. Hey.
Start battle. Bayonetta. Three, two, one, go! Lucas wins!
Well, you are right, you know.
Start battle! Bayonetta!
Really? Not really. You don't know where.
Is that all you've got?
Oh no, I did wrong. Oh, you're dead.
Anything happened good?
Oh, no, no, no. I thought you thought that was awesome.
Almost.
Do anything happen?
Yeah, exactly.
That's all you got.
I just like
I was thinking you were gonna side me with this.
Start the battle. Lucas Bayonetta.
skill course.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's time to open mighty save. Yeah, but you can carry that. You air dodging like the
Can you type it again?
I know.
Lucas wins.
Really? Yeah.
Well, actually, I don't know there.
I don't know.
You did something.
Yeah. That's actually the only time I've ever seen